Thinking about a career in data, but unsure whether to choose data science or data analytics? They sound similar, but they lead to very different roles and skills. Let's simplify it so you can choose the right path with confidence. Why this comparison matters. Selecting between these two fields can influence the type of work you do and the skills you build. Both are in demand and offer strong career growth, but they focus on different ways of using data. Understanding their core differences will help you make a smarter career decision. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Understanding data analytics. Data analytics is about examining data to find useful insights. Professionals analyze past and present data to understand trends, patterns, and business performance. This role is ideal for those who enjoy working with data, creating reports, and supporting decision-making. 2. Understanding data science. Data science goes beyond analysis and focuses on predicting future outcomes. It involves building models, using algorithms, and working with large data sets to solve complex problems. This field suits those who enjoy coding, statistics, and working on advanced data-driven solutions. 3. Career opportunities. Both fields offer excellent job prospects across industries. Data analytics roles include data analyst, business analyst, and reporting analyst, commonly found in business and operations teams. Data science roles include data scientist, machine learning engineer, and AI specialist, often focused on innovation and advanced analytics. 4. Skills you develop. Data analytics builds skills in data visualization, SQL, Excel, and business intelligence tools. Data science develops expertise in programming languages like Python, statistical modeling, and machine learning techniques. Both paths require strong analytical thinking, but the depth and complexity differ. 5. Which one should you choose? If you prefer working with structured data, creating dashboards, and supporting business decisions, data analytics is a great starting point. If you enjoy coding, building models, and exploring advanced data techniques, data science may be the better fit. Some professionals start with analytics and later move into data science as they build more technical skills. Data science and data analytics both offer exciting and rewarding career paths. They serve different purposes, but each plays an important role in helping organizations use data effectively. The right choice depends on your interests, technical skills, and long-term career vision. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on data careers and professional growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.